All right, so this is what I am going to be having with my fish. You saw the fish earlier, yes? So the potatoes have been washed. I'm gonna wash them again. We have removed the dirt and I'm gonna do my potato in the skin. I'm removing all the little bad patches from the potato, the parts that don't look so attractive. I'm just going to snap those parts out real quick. All of them look apart here will look like, say, you know, something did I try to eat at it. I remove them. And I'm cooking for a family of 4. All right, so I have washed my potatoes again using paper towel to pot dry. You get off the excess water because I'm going to apply some oil to the potatoes. I'm going to put some olive oil. Oh, let me get the foil paper ready first. All right. Remember now, you know, I'm no chef, you know. No, sir. I'm no chef at all. All right. I just try a thing right here, so. I learn how for cooking up people. Remember. Why am I doing this? Just I go put a little bit of seasoning on there and want it to seep in as it bakes. Because I'm putting these in the oven as they are. So because I want it to seep in, I'm just pouring it right around. Just a little bit. Don't even know if it really is necessary, but I'm doing it anyhow. So wash the potatoes with Scotch-Brite and the running water. Alright. So I got olive oil in my pan. Rub him down nice and good. Put it in, it must have to go in. Put it in, plonk it down in. Put it in, dash it down in. I like to grease my potatoes before baking. Alright. See them there? Nice and greasy, slippery and wet. You hear about that? Anybody tell you? Alright, so I'm also wrapping them in foil. But I'm still going to lay them in the pan, regardless of the fact that they are in foil. Just putting them in the foil to help trap the moisture. Alright, we don't want it to dry out too much. Yes, I see it there. Ready for the oven. Sweet potatoes to be baked in the oven. It doesn't have to be traditional every Sunday. We grew up accustomed to having rice and peas with fried chicken on a Sunday with vegetables and so on in Jamaica, but here I am saying to you, it doesn't have to be the traditional way all the time.